Okay. Dear children, as I said you that in a previous video, that in a legislative assembly, the 6 MLAs is an example it given that, okay, how the debate is going to happen there and what are the changes they are going to do, that everything is going to be discussed there. Now, in this sessions, we are going to discuss about that, how it is happen that and what are the, what is that, as a discuss debate. Okay, some of they are giving the example about that how the area it's not getting the proper healthcare facilities, and one is said that not provided the water, so such, and based on that what government is taken that action, everything will be discussed now. So in the earlier section you have read about the debate in the legislative assembly. So dear children, before going to listen this class, you need to read that the conversation of 6 MLAs. So the members who are debating on action taken or not taken by the government. This is because the MLAs are together responsible for the work of the government. So all the MLAs that may be ruling party or not ruling party, they are all the responsible for the government. Okay, so because this time they are ruling that and next time they are going to be rule that, so that may be vice versa. So in this manner, so it is complete responsibility of all the members of the legislative assembly. So in common usage of the word government refers to the government departments and various ministers who head them. So but overall head is who? That chief minister. So complete responsibility, complete headache would come to the chief minister only. More correctly, this is called the executive part of government. Executive part. So what is that? So that various health department, health minister, okay, like that we are going to call on that education minister. So these are all the, what is that? Executive part of the government. All the members are MLAs who gather together in assembly and legislature. We call that legislature. Okay, they call that, whom we call the legislator. All the MLAs who are gathered in assembly, those are called the legislator. They are the one of who authorize and supervise their work, as well as earlier section, and then head of the executive and chief minister is formed there. So everything, so who is going to observe superior of their work, and everything is formed by the chief minister. So now legislative assembly is not only place where the opinions are expressed about the work of the government and action demanded, not only in the legislative assembly. So in the newspapers, in the TV channels, debates and everything is going on. No, so why these people are going to be screaming like this in the media? Who is going to be understand like this and that? So that we are going to feel that, but it is one of the platform to express our problems and ideas. Okay, that if it is accepted by the government is watching all the activities of the TV, and which is important thing and what are the problems is faced in the particular year, that responsibility will be given for that. You could see that from our channel we have noticed this one, and the government is response for this. After the 2 days the government respond and they got the facilities are like this, they are going to say that. So this is about that how the TV channels or newspapers, other organizations are regularly talking about this government. Okay, in a democracy there are various ways to through the in this express of way, not only in one way. There are different ways. We can say that social medias, we can discuss in a TV, we can discuss in a newspapers or news channel, okay, or in any other way. Okay, we can do it that. So after everything legislative assembly is discussion, the one member they make it that government chief ministers is going to make one person as the reporter or the what is that, representative of for the government. So that would be take out to the press conference. What is that? Press conference. So in that media people, okay, all the newspapers in TV channels, media people will be gathered there. Okay, and also some of the officials, government officials and minister, Okay, those who are belongs to the particular area, they would be present there, and whatever the questions and whatever the details discussed in the assembly, that would be explained there. Whatever the questions from the media, that would be asked and get the answers for that. So this is what the press conference is going to be done that. Okay, so as so above that, people in the power like chief ministers or ministers have to take the action. They need to take the action about that. They do so through various departments like public work department, PWD, the agriculture department, the health department, and education department. So on that we can list all them. They also have the answers to question like that. In newspapers, in a conference, they're going to discuss about that. The government can also decide to make a new law of the state recognize the sanitization of the health facilities. This act is making a law on certain issues done in a legislative assembly of each state. The various government departments then implement these laws. So laws of entire country was implemented by the parliament in a central. Okay, so that is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. In state level, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhana Parishad. So legislative assembly. So in a parliament they are going to take that. So in a different state, that different legislative assembly is going to take the decisions or laws, and for whole entire country, that parliament is going to be implemented. So in a democratic country, okay, in a democratic country, it is the people who elect their representatives as a member of a legislative assembly, and as the people who have the main authority. People who have the main authority, that is MLAs. The ruling party members then form the government, and some members are appointed ministers. So these ministers in charge various department of the government. So every MLA would not be the ministers. So only selected members, they are going to give the office based on their work and based on services, and depend upon the different views they are going to give that. Okay, whatever the work is done by these government has to approve by the members of the legislative assembly. So that is a major thing. So they need to approve. Without the approval of all the members of the legislative assembly, or the 70%, more than the 70% of that assembly, or the more than 50% of that, so that would not be passed. That law or the discussion would be cancelled. Okay, that one. So now, dear children, there is a project about that at the end of this lesson. I am going to tell you that. So that is that, what is that? Wallpaper project. Wallpaper project. You need to prepare it that. Okay. What you need to do that? So for wallpaper is interesting activity through the which research and can be done in a particular topic of interest. You are interested. For following photographs explain about different aspects of involved in creating a wallpaper in a classroom. So you prepare that. Whatever the topics you take it that. Your different topics, whichever you are interested, you take it there and make it that wall. What is that project like that? Okay, some pictures you make it that in paste that related to that one picture chart you make it that, information chart you make it about the government you make it that. So whatever you want, you prepare it there. So that would be good one of the activities I am giving there. So once you started to come to the school, you bring it there. So that would be assigned as the, what is that, assignment. Okay, so that is one of the project I am giving there. But don't involve for more for these activities. Okay, so this is one of the thing what I am saying, that whichever the sources, newspapers and other things, whichever it comes to your home, by utilizing that only you prepare it that. Okay, understood? Okay, so this is about the lesson about the social and political life. About the first semester of the portions we have finished in a social and political life. Okay, so in the next semester portions will be done after the midterm. Okay, thank you.